Just when you think you've seen everything in the Crowsnest Pass, a home like this hits the market. Today, I'm gonna tour you through a custom home that's literally built into the side of the mountain that's gonna redefine what it means to live in the pass. Located in Coleman, Alberta, this area has everything you could ever ask for. There's hiking, there's quadding trails, there's fishing, there's camping, and there's even one of the most beautiful golf courses in all of Canada right at your fingertips. Not to mention in the winter, there's even ski hills close by and one of the most unique landscapes in all of Alberta. Now this acreage property is very private where you have 7 acres to call your own. But before we go inside, we do have to talk about how gorgeous this home is from the outside. I mean, we do have hardy board siding as well as aluminum siding throughout the entire house. You have LED light fixtures, and there's even a concrete path that leads from the front all the way to the back to one of the many outdoor spaces that we're gonna check out later in this video. But first, let's head inside and get this tour started. With over 3,600 total square feet of living space, an oversized double car garage, 5 bedrooms, and a guest house, this home is gonna take your breath away. But let's start off over here in the main living area of the home, where we have these dual height ceilings and this dual-sided wood-burning fireplace. And over here are these double sliding glass doors leading out onto your patio space. Now this is gonna be fantastic for entertaining. And just imagine bringing people over, having a drink, and looking down the entire valley of the Crowsnest Pass. And from here, you can really appreciate the grandness of this home because you can see up to that second level with the glass railing, keeping everything open and letting the light flow throughout this entire space. And we are gonna check out that area in a little bit, but first, let's keep this tour moving on the main level. And over here on the other side of that dual-sided fireplace is your formal dining room area, of course with more windows, bringing that outside and the nature right into your dining room. And you'll notice over here, you do have more counter space and some more cabinetry for a wet bar or even a coffee station, or even just some more prep space. And over here is one of my favorite layouts for a kitchen, and that's actually a U-shape because it maximizes the amount of counter space in your kitchen. But what you're really gonna appreciate is the small details, like this luxury quartz, your custom tile backsplash, your undermount lighting, the black lowers with the wood grain uppers, and even this organics waste bin that's integrated right into the quartz countertop. Now back at the front of the home, just off of the kitchen and the front door is bedroom number 1. Now this bedroom here overlooks the front yard, it has wall-to-wall closets, and it has these full height ceilings. But because this bedroom actually has its own luxurious ensuite featuring a standalone soaker tub and a glass shower, you might think this is the primary bedroom, but you'd be wrong. The primary bedroom is actually at the end of the home on the other side, which we're gonna tour right now. Now down at the end of this hall is the primary bedroom. But on the way, we do need to stop right here and just appreciate the detail to the design in this home. From the textured walls to the light fixtures, absolutely everything in this home just screams luxury. Now stepping into the luxurious primary bedroom, you're gonna notice just how much space there actually is. A king-size bed, no problem. A reading nook over here, that's easy. Oversized windows overlooking the forest, of course. However, over here, there's also a side door leading out to a private patio space. Now stepping through here is the primary ensuite, featuring a large walk-in closet. And over here, this area does not disappoint. You have dual vanities with custom wall-hung mirrors. You have a glass and tiled shower, a standalone soaker tub, and of course, these tall vaulted ceilings that continue throughout the space. Also on this level is bedroom number 3, which is actually a massive size, so you could probably fit your entire family, or at least your guests are gonna be more than comfortable. And just across the hall is another 3-piece bathroom featuring another tiled and glass shower, and just beside that is the main floor laundry. Now it's not every day I need to stop and talk about the stairs up to the 2nd level, but when they're like a work of art like this home, we definitely need to. Now, as you can see, we have these floating risers up to the 2nd level, but you also have this glass railing, and it wouldn't be a showstopper without this LED lighting. Now, up on the 2nd level is this loft space, which is perfect for an open concept desk area or just a lounge spot for those movie nights. However, because the space is so open and we have tall ceilings, you have windows on either side, this makes the space feel so airy. And one of my favorite areas about this home is this window right here, because you can actually look all the way down that valley leading into BC. Now, also on this level is another office space over here that can also be used as another bedroom, and just off of that is another 2-piece bathroom. Now, I did mention that there are multiple outdoor spaces in this home, and from this level, you can actually access 2 of them. And one of which is this beautiful covered deck space, where you have another wood-burning fireplace, and is probably one of my favorite areas to enjoy the mountain scenery. I mean, from here, you can see down that entire valley I was mentioning earlier, and this is honestly something that money can't buy. Now, one of the really unique features of this area is behind this door here is actually being used as a pottery studio, but it could be easily used as another bedroom or another office, which is very secluded and is exactly what you want out of a mountain home. The second outdoor space is actually back here at the back of the home, which is actually a very convenient spot to get out of the heat or the wind during those hot summer days. You'll also notice down the property there is a small woodshed to keep your firewood, and there's even a private path right behind you leading up to somewhere that you're just gonna have to come see in person. Thank you guys so much for touring this incredible mountain home with me. And if you guys like this home tour and want to see it in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team at Real Broker. And if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button right here.